Hello everyone, today we are going to learn Mohe Rang Do Lal. It is a semi-classical dance which my student had done in the previous video, and I'm going to show you the steps. This is very simple, and people who do not have proper training in Kathak but have a flair for dance can also do it. So for the first step is the music. There's an opening music. The music is the main part of this dance. So the first part starts if you've heard a peacock sound. So what you're going to do is you're going to place your left hand like this on your left waist. You're going to hold your right like this, and depending on what you're wearing, preferably it would be a lehenga or salwar kameez with a flare. You go 1 2 3 4 5 6. So depending on the entry you go, and the entry music I think is 8 counts. So this is the first step. Alright, okay, after that it is your hands are this 2-finger mudra here, and you go 1 2 3 4. So how is your legs? Your legs are like this. This leg is straight, this leg is slightly bent at the knees. So you do 1 2 3 4 5 6, then 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, after this it is round and this, round and this. So 1 and 2 3 and 4. Okay, so after this step we do 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So what are we doing? You remember in my previous videos I taught you this cross step. So this is similar, but we are going in a circle. So the hands would go 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, and the steps would be right, cross, left, right, left, right, left, together. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now one has to remember that for Kathak or semi-classical based on Kathak, you have to keep a straight posture. Do not do too much of bending, and not though it's soft, but it's straight. Your posture has to be very straight. So you can do some basic Kathak courses online also. There are lots of them available on YouTube nowadays. Very nice Kathak lessons. You can take some before you do this dance as well. Okay, now after this it is 1 2 3 4. So you do slight round and 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is again a music piece. This goes that you will see in the dance. You can check out in the dance in the previous video. After that it's Mohe Rang Do Lal. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. You do Mohe, you know me, so Mohe Rang Do. So basically what you're doing is you are keeping your left hand like this, slightly turned towards the audience to face the top like this, bent at the elbow but not straight, slight front. And you're going to take this hand and you're going to, as if you're feeling that color me. So mohe rang do lal. Alright. Now the second mohe rang do lal, you're going to again do mohe rang do lal. So basically what you're doing is me coloring my face, you know, and then it's as if you are opening your ghungat or something that you have, your head. So lal. Okay, after that Nand ke lal. So what do you do? Nand ke lal. You're showing a baby who is Nand ke, so Krishna, lal, you know, child. Then chhedo nahi mohe rang do lal. So if somebody is like splashing water on you, how will you go? So that way is chhedo nahi mohe rang do lal. Okay. After that, rang do lal repeat, which we are going to repeat the same thing. So it will be mohe rang do lal. Okay. After that it is देखो देखो तुझको मैं होके निहार. How does it go? देखो. So you're going to step with your right and your left will be like this. So देखो देखो मैं तुझको होके निहार. So you will take a round like this. Okay, how do you go? 1 and 2. So okay, and this is with your heel. So nihar. Okay, this leg is flat like this. This is on your toes. Nihar. Okay, then again repeat. Dekho. Before dekho dekho there is another music. That music interlude again has the same step, but this is only 4 times. So we are doing 1, 2, 3, 4 and then taking another round like we did in dekho dekho. So tan 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 round. Then देखो देखो मैं तुझको होके निहार. छूलो कोरा मोरा कांच का तन. You know I am made of glass, so don't touch me. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then man. Okay, so how do you do it? 1, 2. You are highlighting your eyes. So this has to be under your eyes, in front of your nose, not covering your face, and slightly, you know, this one is slightly apart around your forehead, and you do 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then again round. Then mohe rang do lal is repeated. Then nand ke lal. किसके लाल है? नंद के लाल. So lal, and who is Nand ke lal? Krishna. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you again repeat after the last Nand ke lal, chhedo nahi mora. After that you have to go, there's a music interlude. Now in this music interlude it will be better if you try proper Kathak steps, if not very advanced but very low style. But what we have done is we have tried to keep semi-classical, which is not standard Kathak. So you do 1, so pick up your step and place it. So you go 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are basic steps for any classical, so it doesn't need to be Kathak. 5, 6, 7, 8. So what do you do? 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Alright, then you have to do Tatkar. Now Tatkar takes a lot of time. I mean, it will take you years to practice well. But if you do it slow, that you can, if you practice well, you can get it. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically what you do is if you're starting with your right leg, so you go 1, left, right, left. Then start again with your left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now try to pick it up, because if you don't pick it up, it is going to be difficult to get that rhythm. But at the same time, if you pick it too much, you will not be able to do it fast. When we do it fast, you have to, this is the way that it goes. So the steps that I picked for my students were 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. After that, you can do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 and round. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 round. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 round. And open.